Welcome back students. Now in this tutorial we will learn about different type of filterings that are available in this Power Query editor. Like if I go to the customer age section, I will clear the filter that is being applied to this. Now there are two ways to remove filter. One is the option to click the clear filter, and second one is that we have discussed previously a lot of times to remove the step from the applied steps section. If I clear filter, you see that the filter is now removed from this column as well as from the applied steps column. Now here is the sort option. We can sort the values from in ascending order from lowest to smallest, and we can sort the values from largest to smallest as well. So we can see that the minimum age is 26 and the maximum age is now 73. Similarly, if I want to perform the sorting on a categorical column, I can say A to Z, it will sort it, and Z to A will be sorted as well. Similarly, if I want to perform filtering on this value, we can perform A to Z and then Z to A. So these are different type of filterings that are available in Power Query editor. We can sort it in ascending, we can sort it in descending, but now you see that this sorting is not performed as it should perform because another sorting step is already applied. So if I cross this and then click ascending, it will now be sorted in ascending order from 0 to highest, and if I click descending, it is now from highest to smallest. So that's how we perform sorting operations on our data set, and every sorting operation that we perform is recorded in the applied steps. Now whenever the next data is loaded, for example, I have this database and I updated the data source and added some more columns in this database, and I load it in this Power BI. Now as the new data is being added to this new data will go to all the steps that are highlighted in this applied steps section, and then the clean data will be loaded into our Power BI report. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.